This morning, we continue our weather impact alert team coverage. We have a small break in the winds this morning before things ramp back up tonight.
So KREM 2's Brandon T. Jones is helping us all get ready. Brandon?
Yeah, good morning, Tim, Nicole. These are just some reminders. I know many of us already have experienced strong winds such as this living here in the inland Northwest, but these are timely reminders, especially when you think back, it was this exact week last year where we saw several trees and power lines down across Spokane. Take a look at your screens right now. This is some video from December 18th and 19th of 2024. So with another wave of strong gusts expected, what you can do in terms of preparation, let's start by securing some of those loose outdoor items. You want to start thinking about those lawn chairs, umbrellas, anything you think has potential to fly away. These kind of strong winds also, again, can knock out power, so make sure you have an emergency kit packed. This is something that's also helpful to have in the event of a snowstorm, think this time of the year as well. So blankets, batteries, food, flashlights, and any other essential that your family may need. It's helpful to have those items already packed, ready to go in case power does go out later this evening or even tomorrow morning at any particular time. Again, we're going to continue to track these windy conditions throughout the day over the next 24 to 48 hours. You can find the latest updates on KREM.com. For now, here live in Spokane, Brandon T. Jones, KREM 2 News.